Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to add clickable link in YouTube Shorts. So you just have to launch your YouTube application, but of course you have to make sure that you're using the latest version or you're using the updated version of your YouTube. So you have to click this plus icon here if you want to create a YouTube Shorts. So once you click this one, you have to record or import a file from your gallery. And then once you do that, you can simply edit everything. So as you can see, I am about to record something. Okay, let's just say this one. Okay, and then after that, once you're done recording or importing video, okay, click check. And then here you can simply edit sound, text. If you want to add a text, then you can do this one. You can add sound if you want. Okay, for example, this one here. And then you can also add other features like voiceover, okay, change volume, timeline, and so on. So once done, click next. And here in the title, actually you can type title and also you can add link here, but it's not really that advisable to do that or not recommended because if you paste a link here, it's too long. And most of the cases, YouTube Shorts doesn't allow that one. Like, so the best thing to do is to upload this shorts first. Okay, upload short. And then once you uploaded a short, you can simply edit the caption or the description of that. So as you can see here, I uploaded a short and now I can edit my shorts here. Tap this three dots and then you can see edit portion, edit video. So we have here add description. So in here, you can paste the link or you can add this clickable link in your YouTube Shorts. As easy as that. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.